Trading in the stock market is all about timing and execution. So how do you know when to enter a stock? Has it ever happened to you that you buy a stock and the prices further go down? Or you sell a stock and the prices fall below your buying price? Or you exit the stock at stop loss and the stock goes in your desired direction just after you're out of the trade? Or has it happened that you have exited a multi-bagger stock a little too soon? Or you could be waiting to buy or sell a stock, but the prices turned before that without giving you an entry and you missed the trade. Well, this is not uncommon, and most people trading in the stock market have experienced this at some point in time. Entering or exiting a trade too soon without having tested the waters can be a huge risk. And missing an entry can be very disappointing, especially when the stock turns out to be a multi-bagger. That is why it is very important to know when to enter or exit a trading position. With the right data and tools, you will equip yourself with the confidence to time your entries and exits based on the right signals and setups. At MTS, we help you develop this confidence with our course on indicators and oscillators. These powerful tools help us understand the concept of momentum, or the speed with which the prices of a stock moves either up or down. And as a trader, having an understanding on momentum is critical to time your entries and exits. An indicator serves three main functions: to confirm, to alert, and to anticipate future price movements. In this course, you will be learning about indicators like the moving average. You will be learning about volatility bands like the Bollinger Band. And you will be learning about momentum oscillators like the RSI, ADX, stochastics, and MACD. And not only that, you will be learning the different trade setups for each of them. We are excited to introduce a meticulously curated and detailed course using state-of-the-art technology that offers an in-depth understanding of technical analysis. Our course includes actual case studies and examples which will help you understand and implement these techniques very effectively. We also provide you with your own dedicated student portal where you will have access to not only the course content but also ebooks for every topic along with few other tools which will be great reference material to improve your understanding. We believe that a thorough understanding of the course is very critical for your success. That is why we have included quizzes after every topic to evaluate your understanding and to ensure that you're on the right track. We also offer query solving to ensure that all your doubts and questions are resolved promptly. Our expert team is always ready to assist you and provide you the necessary guidance throughout the course. This will equip you with the right knowledge to make the most of the trading opportunities available to you in the market. Start your course now.